Hello everyone, today I'm going to be taking care of the drain hole cleaning on this Mazda MX-5. For anyone who's got the car in front of them ready to go, I'll leave timestamps on the screen so you can just skip forward and get straight to it so you can see what to do and how to clean them. So on this particular example, right where the drain hole is, there's a pool of water which you can see there. So my suspicion is that these drain holes are so clogged no water's even going through them. So instead of cleaning that initially, I'm just going to go straight with the cleaning tool and see if it releases that water. The tool in question is this thing. Technically it's used to clean trombones, however it's multi-purpose. This will be great for just feeding through the drain hole. As you can see, it's just bendy metal with a little cleaning attachment on the end. So let's see how well this goes. And so the aim of the game is to just find the right angle that it fits into. What I may do is get the angle, and then before I feed it through, I'll show you what that looks like, because it's quite fiddly. So there is the angle you're looking for. You want to go downwards and to the right, or if you're working on the other side, downwards and to the left. Basically go towards the cab. And the brush just runs through there, and then you give it a push through, and from underneath the car you should see the brush. Just here, pull that through. Oh yeah, and as you can see, look at all that gunk that came out. A lot of water, dirty water. Yeah, that was all getting built up in the roof here. And as a result, that rear carpet was getting very wet. So yeah, that's good. So now the water can drain. I just need to extract all the water out of the carpet and she should be good to go. So yeah, that's how to clean the drain holes in a Mazda MX-5. I'm going to run over, I'm probably going to do each drain hole 3 times. So 3 in the petrol cap drain hole, 3 in the passenger, 3 in the rear. And yeah, you just repeat until you're satisfied really. One final tip I will give, and this is just talking from experience from me doing it, is that this drain hole was so blocked, I came from underneath instead and worked it through, and I found that worked a lot better. You may have to jack the car up slightly if you're a big guy like me, just to get your head under. Not big as in fat as in muscly, I've just got a huge head, just to fit under there. And then just, run it through from the other way. So yeah, I really hope this helped you MX-5 owners out there. If it did, please consider leaving a like on the video, it'd be much appreciated.